Our focus is to explore this simple yet powerful exercise, the deep squat. This primal movement, capable of slowing down the effects of aging, taps into the vitality of our youth. As we age, muscles lose mass, joints stiffen, and vitality fades. But the deep squat can counter these effects. Engaging multiple muscles, it offers a comprehensive workout. Your core, back, leg muscles, and even arms are actively involved, promoting strength, balance, and flexibility. Regular practice can improve bone density and cardiovascular health. Plus, it sharpens mental focus and stimulates the release of endorphins, enhancing mood. By deep squats into our routine, we challenge the norms of aging, promoting a more vibrant lifestyle. By embracing deep squats, we're not just exercising, we're revitalizing our bodies and challenging the norms of aging. But how do we perform deep squats safely and effectively? To master this exercise, you need to understand body dynamics and the right technique. Maintain a straight back, sink your hips below your knees without leaning over your toes, and position your feet shoulder-width apart with your weight on your heels. Breathing is crucial to maintaining stability and avoiding injury. Inhale as you lower your body and exhale as you push up. Avoid doing it too quickly or with a rounded back. Adding variety like weighted squats or squat holds can make your routine more engaging and different muscle groups. However, it's essential to remember that it's not just about repetition. A diverse routine that includes variations of deep squats such as weighted squats and squat holds can keep things interesting and challenge our bodies in new ways, accelerating the anti-aging benefits. The profound stories of transformation from people of all ages who have incorporated deep squats into their lives bear testament to their remarkable benefits. From the young to the elderly, deep squats improve athletic prowess and prolong independence. They enhance mobility, promote strength, balance, flexibility, and contribute to overall wellness. Beyond physical advantages, they impact mental health, boosting self-esteem and overall mood. Regular deep squat practice can elevate the quality of life, fueling mind and spirit. Along with enhanced vitality comes the ability to enjoy life without physical limitations. Why wait? Embrace this anti-aging exercise. Start slow, gradually increase your intensity, and witness the transformation in your physical form, mental and emotional well-being. You'll feel stronger and more agile. The secret to longevity is the strength of your own legs developed through deep squats. Deep squats are more than an exercise, they're a lifestyle, a testament to the power of consistent, focused effort. Begin your journey today. Squats are more than just an exercise, they're a wellness gateway. Consistently performed, they enhance your well-being and fitness. They target critical muscles like thighs, hips, and buttocks, boosting your mobility and strength. Squats also work quadriceps, hamstrings, and lower back. And all-round you can perform squats anywhere, anytime. Incorporating them into your routine is about making sustainable changes leading to a healthier, stronger you. With age, strength and flexibility are crucial. Squats help you stay active and agile, offsetting aging effects. Remember, age is just a number, it's never too late to start.